Today, we are announcing the next generation.
NVIDIA accelerated computing starts with DGX, the world's AI supercomputer.
The demand is just off the charts. You see the popularity of all these AI services now.
This company used to make graphics cards for gamers. Now it powers the entire future of artificial intelligence. Some say Nvidia could become the most valuable company in history. Others think it's already priced for perfection. So, is this the next tech empire or just another bubble? Let's break it down. Right now, companies everywhere are racing to build AI tools. Big names like Microsoft, Google, Meta, and Amazon are spending billions to build huge AI computers. But to make these machines work, they need something very specific: NVIDIA's chips. That's why people call NVIDIA the arms dealer of the AI revolution. They're selling the tools to everyone who wants to build AI, and business is booming. In fact, demand is so strong that NVIDIA can't make enough chips to keep up. Their most advanced chip, called the H100, can sell for over $30,000 each, and companies are still lining up to buy them. NVIDIA's money-making power has been stunning. In early 2025, they made over $44 billion in just 3 months. Most of that came from AI chips sold to big tech companies. Even with some sales blocked by US rules on selling to China, NVIDIA still beat Wall Street's expectations. Their stock hit all-time highs. At one point, NVIDIA became the most valuable company in the world, passing Apple and Microsoft. That's right. A company that made graphics cards for video games is now worth more than the companies that make iPhones and Windows. What makes NVIDIA so special is that it doesn't just make hardware. It also has the software developers love. Its system, called CUDA, makes it easy for engineers to build powerful AI systems. This means companies don't just want NVIDIA chips, they need them. And here's the kicker: NVIDIA's chips are expensive to buy, but cheap to make. That means huge profits. One report said it costs NVIDIA about $3,000 to make a chip they sell for 10 times that much. That's one of the biggest profit margins in tech. Most of NVIDIA's sales come from just a few massive customers. Companies like Microsoft and Google are each spending billions on AI data centers. And they're all buying NVIDIA gear to do it. Some experts believe this AI spending will only grow. One firm even said NVIDIA could be worth $6 trillion in the next few years if current trends continue. That would make it the most valuable company ever. With AI growing fast, NVIDIA is at the center of it all. And if you're watching NVIDIA right now, hit that like button, because this story is far from over. NVIDIA's success is exciting, but there are risks. First, the stock is very expensive. Right now, investors are paying a high price because they think NVIDIA will keep growing fast. If growth slows even a little, the stock could drop. Second, other companies are catching up. AMD is launching new chips that might compete with NVIDIA. Google, Amazon, and Meta are building their own AI chips too. NVIDIA is still in the lead, but that lead could shrink. Third, US government rules have already hurt NVIDIA's sales in China, and NVIDIA depends on factories in Taiwan to build its most advanced chips. If tensions rise between China and Taiwan, it could disrupt NVIDIA's supply chain. Some investors are wondering if the AI boom is too much, too fast. We've seen this before, like the dot-com bubble in the early 2000s, when internet stocks soared and then crashed. The companies that survived became huge, like Amazon, but many others didn't make it. So is AI the next big thing, or the next big bust? It depends. AI is clearly real and useful, but if too many companies spend too much money chasing AI with no clear payback, investors could get nervous. If that happens, even great companies like NVIDIA could see their stock drop, at least for a while. Even with risks, Nvidia is in a powerful spot. It's the go-to company for AI chips, it has loyal customers, and it's making more money than ever before. For investors, that's a rare combination. Nvidia has grown over 700% in just 2 years. That kind of return is amazing, but it also means expectations are sky high. The stock could keep climbing if the AI boom continues. But any bad news, like slower spending, new competitors, or supply problems, could shake things up. If Nvidia pulls off even half of what analysts expect, it could still be a winning stock from here. But know this, the price already includes a lot of hope. Nvidia is the king of AI chips today. If AI keeps growing, Nvidia could become one of the most important and valuable companies in history. It's already on that path. But smart investors should watch closely. The story is still being written. With massive upside comes real risk. This isn't a hidden gem anymore. It's a giant that's priced for greatness. So, will Nvidia keep dominating and reach $6 trillion? Or will rising competition and cooling hype knock it off its throne? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear, if you care about the future of AI, you should care about Nvidia. Because right now, everyone building the future is buying from them, and as long as that continues, so will Nvidia's climb.